And you're gonna hear our opportunity 5 years from today. And there are probably, say, 1 million members in Singapore already. Which would you rather have? Know the opportunity today or know the opportunity 5 years from today? Today. Okay. Which is better? To do the business today or to do the business 5 years from today? Which is better? Today. So if you're gonna do the business today, you have more advantage than people joining 5 years from today. Guys, we do not have any millionaires yet here in Singapore. None so far. Why? Because we're just starting out here in Singapore. We call this the pre-marketing, pre-launching activities. Soon we'll be having a regular presentation like this. And all you need to do is invite people, train some, have some training, try to learn about the product, try to learn about the business, try to Google and try to research online what network marketing is. Try to find out why networking is already a 4-year college course in Harvard Business School. Are you familiar with Harvard? Yes. Is it a prestigious school? Yes. They're already offering network marketing as a 4-year college course. Try to find out why during the year 2000, in the United States of America, the year 2000, more than 50% of the millionaires in the United States of America are networkers. They're not lawyers, they're not doctors, they're not nurses, they're not realtors, they're not brokers. More than 50% of the millionaires in the US, year 2000, are networkers. They're like us. They're like some of you, doing this on a part-time, on a full-time basis. Why? Try to study why network marketing products have the highest turnout of return of investment as compared to any other businesses out there. Okay? Why? Because this is the biggest trend. Try to research this online. It's made by Paul, try to write it down, Paul Zane Pilzer. According to this great guy, who is Paul Zane Pilzer to begin with, he is a world-renowned economist, okay? He has been the chief economic advisor for the past 3 presidencies in the United States of America. He has been an economic advisor for the 2 Bush administration and 1 Clinton administration. According to this brilliant guy, economist Paul Zane Pilzer, a self-made millionaire at the age of 30, okay? He has written this book called The Perfect Storm. The Perfect Storm. And according to this economist, okay, with his book called The Perfect Storm, by year 2010 to 2015, network marketing companies that carries health, wellness, and beauty products, will create 10 million new millionaires around the world. 10 million new millionaires around the world. And I'm not talking about peso millionaires. I'm not talking of Singaporean millionaires. I'm talking of US dollar millionaires. Okay? 10 million new millionaires. And the good thing about this is that we're not the only network marketing company in the world. We're not the only network marketing company that carries health, wellness, and beauty product. Let's just say, out of 10 million, 1% will be in Singapore. 1% of 10 million is how much? 1% of 10 million? 100,000. 100,000 new millionaires in Singapore. Let's just say out of 100,000, guys, let's just say out of 100,000, say 5%. 5% will belong to AIM Global. Okay? Fair enough. 5% will belong to AIM Global. 5% of 100,000, it's 5,000. 5,000 millionaires of AIM Global from year 2010 to 2015. You do the math. Okay, you do the math. Out of 100%, let's just say Singapore would just have 1%. 1% out of the 100% that will be made millionaires. And this is happening. Guys, who will be the companies involved in this? They're not the company who will be launched. These are the companies that has existence prior to 2010. Positioned early prior to 2010. And we started back in 2006. And now we're here in Singapore. Trying to research this book, Paul Zane Pilzer, okay? The wellness industry, the wellness revolution, and his newest book called The Perfect Storm that will be creating 10 million new US dollar millionaires around the world. And this is a great opportunity. If you have seen our chronological order of launching our product and our business, after the Philippines, after the Brunei market, now we're here in Singapore. So take this opportunity. So before we end, I would like to have a product demonstration. I'd like to ask for a volunteer just to show you how good the product is. So I want to show you what's the effect of the product in as early as 30 seconds. Okay? Because some of you are probably wondering, are there any effects? Because when I take your product, yes, I feel good, I feel great. But some of you, when they took the product, I didn't feel any. I didn't feel any energy. I didn't feel any thing, or it didn't make any difference. Bossing panghalo. Okay. So I want to show you how quick the product would be absorbed in our body. How quick would it for our product to have an effect. And for me to show you what nanotechnology, the one that I mentioned, was. Nanotechnology, it means when they nanotechnology. Okay. It means that when they absorb in our body, they absorb in the very, very, very minute particles that when it absorbs in your body, it will be disintegrated so fast on the cellular level, not just on the organ level. Can I ask for a volunteer? One male and one female, okay, to show you how quick the products would be disintegrated in our body. Okay, any volunteer? Okay. What's your name, sir? Gerard. Gerard, right? Can you come here on the stage? Gerard, like Gerard Anderson? Right? You look like the shadow of Gerard. No, I'm just kidding. How old are you, Gerard? 22. 22? You look like you're only 23. Alright, can you move backwards here? Do you have cell phone with you? Can you put it in the table? Because I'm gonna get it later. I'm just kidding. Okay, you put your 2 feet together. Okay, you face the audience. You put your 2 feet together like this. 2 feet together. Okay, together. Okay. And you stand like a toy soldier. Okay, you look at the screen. And what I'm going to ask you to do is, I'm going to put, which is stronger? How do you write? You write with your left or with your right hand? Right hand. So it means that this is the dominant part of his body. He writes with his right hand. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull heavily on your right hand. So what you're going to do is just to resist it or maintain this position. Okay, maintain this position. No more. Passes naman. Okay. Can you hold the mic for me? What I'm going to do is we're going to hold hands. Are you married? Are you married? No. Have you eaten? Yeah. Okay, so I'm going to hold your hands and I'm going to pull it downward. So just maintain the position. Okay, stand up like a toy soldier. Okay. I'm going to pull it down. I count to 1, 2, 3. So easily, without any effort from my end, I can easily pull him down. Another one. Okay. 2 feet together. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay. It is as if you haven't eaten for the whole week. Okay. What I'm gonna do is, okay, but just relax. What I'm gonna do is just, okay, I'm gonna get this product, complete, put it in this glass of water. We're going to remove it from the vegetable capsule so that it's going to disintegrate faster. And going to mix it. Gonna taste great. Gonna taste like tanduay with taho. No, I'm just kidding.
Procrastinating now will cost you later, so take action today. This is what you've been waiting for, so don't hesitate. Act now.